Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. Today here we are in the HOA once again to see if we can get some iguanas. The day is really clear, but it's kind of chilly for the iguanas. I see the sun is out, really hot sun today, and my hope is the iguanas are out now trying to get the heat because the temperatures are low for the average temperature here in Florida. But we will see if we have luck today. Today I will be using my RTI Priest2 and I have all set up for a great video. Today let's see if the iguanas are out, because the only thing that we need are the iguanas. Everything else is ready. The gun is shooting perfect, and I will also try some long range shooting with it with some targets that I have here today. Alright, that's it for now. See you on the hunt. This is the iguana. Not gonna show too much over there, but I just want to show you guys this weird, like two tails coming out of the iguana. This is my rake. Big monster red iguana here. Alright, we will continue. The sun is out, a little bit of wind. I don't know if you can pick it up in the mic, hopefully not, because I forgot my camera and hopefully the wind is not messing up with the audio. Alright guys, let's continue. The day is really slow. Sun is out. Iguanas are on the other side. I can see them all over the place on the other side, but not into my side. It's a little bit windy. Actually, a lot of wind. Probably what I will do is I will just test the gun at 75 yards. I will try to do a group, see if I can combine like a hunting video with kind of a grouping review. I'm pretty sure a lot of you will be interested to see how this gun is performing. And it's windy. I don't know if it's the best day for this type of test, but yeah, I will try to see what happens, because this is the actual condition what I'm shooting. So let's go ahead and do it. Let's do that. This is the result of the 5 shots that I did 75 yards. So these are the first two shots, and so here you can see the first two shots here, but I think later the wind picked up and I got these two. I'm really happy with this group at 75 yards. Probably I need to pick a different day to do this type of grouping. Not a good day, a lot of wind, and I'm shooting just JSB King. They are not really heavy, so yeah, the wind will affect those a lot. Well, I think this is the end of the video. The day really slow. This month are always slow. I think the cold weather, they go slow and they hide. So hopefully you really like it. If this is the first time in the channel, please consider subscribing for more content. And as always, be safe and see you on the next one. Bye.